नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस SaaS आर्किटेक्चर। तो ये एक शिफ्ट है फ्रॉम ऑन प्रेमिस सॉफ्टवेयर टू SaaS। तो इसके लिए जो पैराडाइम शिफ्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड वो यहाँ पे ये तीन एरियाज में है, बिजनेस मॉडल में, एप्लीकेशन आर्किटेक्चर में और ऑपरेशनल स्ट्रक्चर में। तो ये तीन एरियाज को अगर हम फोकस करें तो हम सॉफ्टवेयर एज ए सर्विस को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। इनको वन बाय वन देखते हैं। SaaS आर्किटेक्चर के अंदर एक SaaS मैच्योरिटी मॉडल यूज किया जाता है जिसमें 4 लेवल है। लेवल 1 में एडहॉक या कस्टम है। लेवल 2 इज कॉन्फ़िगरेबल है। नंबर 3 पे कॉन्फ़िगरेबल एंड मल्टी टेनेंट एफिशिएंट हो। एंड लेवल 4 में स्केलेबल, कॉन्फ़िगरेबल, मल्टी टेनेंट एफिशिएंट। तो ये 4 स्टेजेस हैं जिसमें किसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर को अगर एज ए सर्विस इम्प्लीमेंट करना हो तो इन 4 लेवल्स के ज़रिए उनको इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाता है। Number 1, level 1 is ad hoc custom. In this level, each customer has its own customized version of the hosted application and run its own instance of the application on the host server. This level offers very few of the benefits of a fully mature SaaS solution. तो ये एक इनिशियल लेवल का सिस्टम है दैट इज़ एड हॉक, टेम्परेरी इसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होती है जिसमें डिफरेंट जो टेनेंट हैं उनके पास अलग अलग इंस्टेंसेस होते हैं एप्लीकेशन के जिनके ऊपर काम होता है और ये बेसिक लेवल का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्लान है। नंबर 2 जो है दैट इज़ कॉन्फ़िगरेबल। इसमें वेंडर क्या करता है, वेंडर होस्ट अ सेपरेट इंस्टेंस ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन फॉर ईच टेनेंट। सेम कोड, नो नीड टू मेंटेन कस्टमाइज्ड एप्लीकेशन कोड स्पेसेस। अब यहाँ पे इस लेवल पे हर टेनेंट के लिए डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन नहीं है, सेम एप्लीकेशन है। It's easier to support, maintain, since only single instance need to be updated. But due to complication efforts, it is more expensive than level 1. Next is level 3. In level 3, we have configurable and multi-tenant efficient. Single instance that serve every customer with configurable metadata. And in this level, authorization and security policies ensures that each customer data is kept private. Because this is multi-tenant environments, to avoid any security breach, authorization and security policies are implemented on this level. And it eliminates the need to provide server space for as many instances as the vendor has customer, because we are providing service on one instance. Next is level 4, scalable, configurable, and multi-tenant efficient. In this level, we implement tenant load balancer. Vendor hosts multiple customer on a load balanced form of identical instances. It is scalable क्योंकि इसमें जो सर्वर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जा सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोड। तो इसमें लोड बैलेंसर की ऑप्शन भी होती है और इसमें अगर कोई चेंज आए सॉफ्टवेयर में तो उसको भी रोल आउट किया जा सकता है। जितने भी टेनेंट्स हों, चाहे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ टेनेंट्स हों, तो उन सब को ऊपर उसको चेंज को रोल आउट किया जा सकता है। नेक्स्ट है बिजनेस मॉडल। जब हमने शुरू में देखा सॉफ्टवेयर एज आर्किटेक्चर में जो SaaS जो है वो 3 एरियाज के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है। देन फर्स्ट ऑन टॉप ऑफ ऑल इज बिजनेस मॉडल। तो इसमें क्या होता है कि जो ओनरशिप है सॉफ्टवेयर की वो कस्टमर से प्रोवाइडर को हो जाती है और इसमें जो रीलोकेशन होती है कस्टमर प्रेमिसेस से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर या क्लाउड के ऊपर, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्रोवाइडर की होती है। इसमें अगर हम देखें, दिस इज द टिपिकल बजट फॉर ऑन प्रेमिस सॉफ्टवेयर। इसमें वी नीड IT स्टाफ टू मेंटेन हार्डवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन। and little cost is required for software as compared to professional services and हार्डवेयर सर्विसेज. लेकिन अगर इसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाता है फॉर सास सॉफ्टवेयर, तो इसमें जो ज़्यादा पोर्शन है वो सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर स्पेंड किया जा सकता है, और हार्डवेयर और सर्विसेज जो कॉस्ट है उस पे जो एक्सपेंस है वो कम होता है एज कम्पेयर टू द सॉफ्टवेयर. SaaS architecture reduces the cost of providing software services through specialization and economy of scale. Because in this configuration, we are using SaaS vendor hardware and SaaS vendor services, and there is no need to buy hardware equipments and to hire IT staff to maintain them, because all these two functions are provided by the SaaS vendor. SaaS hardware costs are also lower as compared to buying your own hardware, because SaaS hardware costs are shared by all the tenants those are using that service. It results in economy of scale. Next is operational structure. SaaS providers not only have to be expert in building software and bringing it to market, they must also become expert in operating and managing it. Monitoring SaaS application for availability and for performance is a must feature for operational structure, because providing service to thousands of tenants is a critical task. SaaS services abstraction for different business sectors. It is hard to provide any abstraction to SaaS services or to classify them based on the technology or approach. They are typically diverse and can be based on any web-based tools to implement the application requirements. Below, we will cover an overview of the types of software they represent, the range of business sectors they span, and the functionality they can deliver and scale on demand. First of all, let's talk about CRM. CRM examples include Salesforce.com, which include account management, opportunity tracking, and marketing campaign administration. Second is NetSuite. It provides set of services including NetSuite, CRM Plus, NetSuite Global CRM, dedicated server options, OpenAir, and payroll. Sugar CRM is an open source software solution based on LAMP, that is Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Salesforce.com, best known SaaS offering, consists of the modules like sales, services and support, partner relationship management, marketing and leads, content, ideas, and analytics. It is available in 20 languages and can be accessed from any internet device, including mobile platforms like BlackBerry, iPhone, and Windows Mobile. Users can customize their CRM application and can add user-defined custom fields. Like Salesforce.com provides a web service API for data manipulation. Select, insert, and update and delete commands are supported on Salesforce.com. NetSuite is best known SaaS offering, consists of the modules like sales, services, and it has primary features. Those include pipeline and opportunity management, order management, advanced forecasting, incentive management, upsell manager, and account management. Sugar CRM, as we have discussed, it is open source and it is an on-demand services. It is based on LAMP. It is attractive from SaaS perspective as it is for free and downloadable. It includes Salesforce automation, marketing campaigns, and customer support, and collaboration and reporting functionality. There are many pre-packaged machines that have Sugar CRM with a base configuration ready for deployment. Sugar Data Center Editions supplement SaaS with a set of tools for provisioning, monitoring, and reporting, as well as the ability to manage deploy multiple instances from a central console. Human resources or human capital management includes administration processes to support personal functions, recruiting, developing, and retaining employees. Due to the confidential nature, some companies would be worried placing such information outside their firewall. Next is Workday. It provides features like absence, accrued vacation, compensation, salary, equity benefits, medical, dental, vision, staffing, headcount, position management, development, business performance through talent management, and performance management, performance review. Telco is another SaaS provider in the HR space. It provides features like recruitment, performance management, employee lifecycle, career management, and succession planning. Telio Express a SOAP-based web service API that developers can leverage to integrate HR functions and data in their applications. Financial sector is another abstraction. Financial services ranges from accounting, procurement, and inventory management. In addition to human capital management, financial related services include payroll, work spend management, financial accounts, supplier accounts, cash management, and procurement. NetSuite supports back office operations and business processes in that including financial management, financial planning, inventory and supply chain, order management, service resource planning, and human capital management, and business intelligence and analytics. Intuit is a software company that develops financial and text preparation software known for Quicken and TurboTax. Next sector is collaboration. Since collaboration involves establishing connectivity between people, it is natural to be based on networking and utilizing common infrastructure. Web 2 services are almost exclusively delivered over the internet and cloud candidate. Some traditional applications such as desktop productivity and conferencing are also candidate to leverage cloud computing. The application we have in this sector like Google Mail, Gmail is a webmail service supporting thread structured and search-oriented interface. At the backend, Gmail runs on Google Servlet Engine and Linux-based Google GFE 1.3 and supports POP3 and IMAP 4. Extensive use of asynchronous JavaScript and XML to prefetch and pre-send information without user refresh it dramatically better response time. Gmail supports spam filtering when user makes an email as spam. Gmail leverage this information to identify similar future messages for all Gmail users. Google is also providing another service that is Google Calendar. It is an Ajax-driven time management web application viewing, adding, and modifying entries. The Ajax interface allows drag and drop events from one date to another without reloading the page. It includes also offline support and to-do list. Multiple calendars can be shown in single view. Calendars can be shared with appropriate access control, that is read-only or full control. Google Talk is a Windows web-based instant messaging and internet telephony. Instant messaging used to send extensible messaging and Presence protocol. Internet telephony uses on voice over IP and is based on the Jingle protocol, a P2P extension to XMPP by Google. Google Docs is a web-based desktop application suite. It supports creating, editing documents, spreadsheets, presentation online while collaborating in real time with other users within the application itself. Imported through the web interface or sent via email. They can also be saved to the user's computer in a variety of formats like OpenDoc, OpenOffice, HTML, PDF, RTF, text, MS, Word. Google Docs serve as a collaboration tool for editing among us users in real time. For Microsoft Office, user may find uploading changed documents via a browser to be tedious. Google offers free plugin that automatically synchronizes edits in the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with Google Docs. It supports multi-user concurrent editing, synchronization of both online and offline modification, including conflict resolution and a revision history for possible rollback capability. Google Sites is a structured wiki offering that supports web addresses of the form like sites.google.com/sites/site name. It has limited number of themes, limited use of HTML coding, but it has ability to insert videos from Google Video, YouTube, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Google Maps, AdWords, and AdSense. Next is Microsoft Online Services. It includes set of services for consumers and enterprise. Windows Live Consumer. It caters to common requirement of home user and small business, including Windows Live Family Safety, Parental Control, Windows Live Mail Client for Windows Live Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and any POP account. Windows Live Mesh file synchronization between user desktop, other computers, and cloud storage. Windows Live Messenger, Movie Maker, Photo Gallery, Writer, SkyDrive, and web apps. Office 365 is also another product of Microsoft. It is multi-tenant model with attractive price points for small organizations. Dedication option provides higher degree of isolation typically required by large organizations. It has main components like Exchange Online with Forefront antivirus checking and spam filtering. SharePoint Online offers content management with version control, wiki, blogs, and RSS feeds. Lync Online provides presence capability and instant messaging. Microsoft Office Professional Plus in Office 365 comparable to Microsoft Volume licensing month to month on a per user basis. Office Web Apps is a browser version of Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, similar to what is offered under Windows Live. Cisco WebEx. Another contributor in SaaS is Cisco. It provides WebEx. It is one among few web presentation tools including Citrix, GoToMeeting, DimDim, and Cisco WebEx. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, Cisco WebEx combines real-time collaboration with phone conferences. User can share documents, presentation, and applications, passing control to anyone in the meeting. It includes video from multiple webcams and use integrated VoIP and audio broadcast or dial-in conferencing or hybrid combination. It is possible to record, edit, and playback meetings after the event for review and compliance purposes. Cloud-based backup is more practical over on-site alternatives because it is remote, it is resilient to many risks such as natural disaster and cloud outages. The example includes like Box.net, which doubles as collaboration tool, and SugarSync, which leverages online backup and storage to provide vehicle to synchronize multiple user devices. Mozy is a personal backup solution that allows user to specify folders and files to be backed up to the cloud on a regular basis. Incremental backup. Zamanda is a backup that is based on the Amanda open source backup software and provides central administration. Is not cloud solution. It provides an option to back the data up to Amazon S3. The most promising area of cloud services will be delivering vertical solution to automate processes in particular industry like healthcare, pharmacy. One source offers set of services in healthcare, including Sentry 7. It is a real-time patient surveillance system that provides a list of hospital patients who are at risk from medication-related falls. Schedule RX is online pharmacy staff scheduling that streamline creating, changing, and communicating staff schedules. Quantify is a customizable clinical documentation and reporting tool for hospital pharmacies and health systems. Transportation. Active On Demand's APT is an internet based transportation management system that connects commercial shippers with hand delivered couriers. Logistics. On network, One Network offers solutions in the retail and consumer product sectors and supplies technology for logistics service providers. It provides data management, order management, procurement, manufacturing, inventory management, and deployment. Demand driven demand management relationship, store operations, spare parts. Let's summarize SaaS. SaaS is going to have a major impact on software industry because SaaS will change the way people build, sell, buy, and use software. Significant differences is the amount of control a user has over the service between SaaS and PaaS or IaaS. Moving from on-premise software to SaaS requires paradigm shift in the following three areas like application architecture, business model, and operational structure. It is hard to provide any abstraction to SaaS services or to classify them based on the technology or approach.